Yay!
Hi, I'm Peanut. Today we will discuss about what you can see in a hospital, Part 1. When you enter a hospital, the first thing you might notice is the reception desk. Reception desk. Then of course, doctors. Doctors. You will also notice nurses. Nurse. These are what healthcare beds look like. Healthcare bed. This is a stretcher. Stretcher. This is an ambulance. Ambulance. This is a wheelchair. Wheelchair. This is a medical chart. Medical chart. This is a temperature gun. Temperature gun. Next is a first aid kit. First aid kit. These are the objects which you will find in an emergency medical kit. Emergency medical kit. This is a stethoscope. Stethoscope. These are surgical instruments, namely scissors, scalpel, tweezers, syringe, bandage. This is otoscope. Otoscope. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. See you again in the next video. Bye bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.